Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a very cool Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is Louis Vuitton Monogram Empreinte Petillante clutch. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one exterior zipped pocket on the back here. So I'll just show you. That zip is a little bit stiff but still works well. And we've got fabric lining in there. I'll just pop that zip back. And then on the front we've got another exterior zipped pocket, so that zip works nice and smoothly, and again that's a fabric lining just in there. And then it is a fold over shape, so it unfolds like that, and we've just got a little press stud fasten there as well. And then underneath that fold over we've got one flat pocket, and then we've got a zip top closure here. So open that up and show you inside, and then in there, and I'll get it at a light you can see it because it is quite dark. We've got one flat pocket there, and then just next to that flat pocket we've got a little kind of lipstick pocket as well. The condition of this we have called very good all around, and I will show you why. You can see that some of the leather has just kind of darkened a little bit. There is a little bit of signs of wear on that leather trim as well, but it's very minor and not very noticeable, so that's why we've called the exterior very good. And again, it's the same condition when you unfold it. Look at that monogram embossed leather there as well. Interior, again, not really any signs of wear or use on that interior and that fabric lining. It is in lovely condition. And then finally the hardware, again, we've called very good. You can tell that it's not brand new, but there is very, very minimal signs of wear. It's all in that lovely shiny gold tone still. So that's why we've called it very good all around. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got this Luxe Cheshire dust bag. The date code for this bag is inside. I'll just unzip it again. So it is just in that little flat pocket there. If you wanted to know the date code, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, and it will give you more details on this bag, such as the measurements and the date code as well. So if you were interested in buying, go to that link. It should hopefully take you directly to this clutch. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. So just let us know that you love this, we'll pop you on our request list. And then as soon as we get in another one, we will let you know, send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So, as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4", and it's a great size. It's not too big, so it's kind of hard to hold as a clutch, but when you unfold it, it is definitely big enough to fit in all your essentials, so it makes a great evening bag, definitely. So again, if you wanted any more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there and sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting in. And we will also send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. If that discount code doesn't go straight into your email, have a look at your spam folder, and it might have gone in there, but make sure you don't miss out on that discount code. Also, have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. If you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a look on there, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.